Hey, beautiful people, how y'all doing? So, with all that's going on in the world, I just feel like it's so important that we don't forget to practice self care, take care of ourselves. And one of the ways that I like to have slow self care is by doing skincare. So, I figured since I was getting ready to do it, I would just share this little quick video with you guys. Any questions, comments, of course, let me know. Leave them down below, ask them. I already washed my face with my Castile soap. To start, I like to use the peppermint one. This is the Walmart brand Equate Castile soap. And next, I'm going to do my Indian mask. I will link my full video on this mask. My first impressions. I've been using this mask for a couple years now. So I just have my bowl, my brush, my Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and my mask. I kind of just eyeball it. Again, I've been doing this for so long now that I just make a small batch, whisk it up. But I love this mask because it gives me a nice deep clean. My skin looks and feels better after this. I'm just using this brush to mix it up. And once I get it to the consistency I like, I'm gonna pop this bad boy on and let it sit for at least like 10-15 minutes. Then I'll wash it off. So I do like to layer it up pretty thick, get a nice healthy layer. And then once I'm content, let it dry. I also don't like to go too close underneath my eyes because it does get tight and I don't want it to pull on my skin. So that's why I leave a nice decent sized gap around the sides of my eyes. This is a pain in the butt to clean up. Yeah, it's a pain, but it's worth it. So my mask has been on for about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna wash it off, come right back, and then I'm gonna mix up a DIY exfoliator to get all this dead skin off. Be right back. I'm trying to smile, but I can't. Okay, so now I have my mask all off, and I'm just gonna put together a quick little DIY exfoliator. So I've got some, can y'all see it? Got some sugar in my bowl, just a couple teaspoons of sugar. So then I'm just gonna take my honey. A lot of this is just eyeballing. I'm gonna take my honey and mix it in. I started off with about a tablespoon. I'm gonna take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, about a teaspoon of that. And I'm actually gonna add something new. Got my hands on some rosemary oil. Just gonna put a couple of drops of this because this is 100%. So 1, 2, 3. 3 drops from the dropper. So again, 1, 2, 3. I did 3 of those into my jar. And then I'm gonna start to mix it up and see what the consistency is looking like. And I do like to keep mine pretty thick, so this is actually like perfect. So now I can show you guys. It's very thick. So again, I just did two or three of these teaspoons, about a tablespoon, maybe a little less of honey, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 3 drops of rosemary oil. And I am just going to really work this into my skin. Gonna add just a little bit olive oil to that. And I didn't even really mix it in. I just put it in the bowl, stuck my finger in it, and then it's allowing me to just have a little bit more slip. Time to wash this off. Alrighty, so now that my face is washed, my skin feels so good, it feels so smooth. And I did have a little bit left over, so I just took a super small container and put it in here, and in a couple of days I'll finish that off. That way I'm not wasting anything. But yeah, my skin feels so super soft and smooth. And almost done. The last thing I'm going to do is do an aloe vera mask. And depending on the time of day that I do this, there are times where I'll do this and I'll just let it completely absorb into my skin and I don't wash it off. Today, I'm probably gonna let it sit like 15-20 minutes and then wash my face again. But I have some aloe vera, so I just have some foil on the end. But aloe vera plant, just super long. I have a brand new one. I'll show you guys, but this is the one that I've been using. So literally what I'm going to do is just take my knife and just cut off a piece like that. I don't really need more than this, and I'm going to cut off the 2 ends. And then I'm going to cut this down the middle. So now, if you can see that? That's the aloe vera gel. That's what we want. So mine just came out the fridge. So it's cold. It's going to feel really good on my skin. If you don't like it to be cold, then I advise you let it sit out a little bit. But I'm literally just going to take them and massage it into my skin. Take it down my neck, my nose, forehead, all that good stuff. And as you can see, it's really clear. It's thin, it's a little sticky. It feels so good. And to get more out, you can take your nails, you can take the knife, cut into it, whatever you like, but there's plenty of gel in there, so I really like to just massage it into my skin. Again, it's nice and cool. To me, it feels really relaxing. It feels really good. I don't like the taste of aloe vera, so I don't put it on my lips. I don't want to accidentally eat any. But I'm just going to take both pieces, bring it down my neck, and just really work this in. I'm going to do the same thing with the other piece. I'm just going to cut it a little bit to get more of the aloe vera, natural aloe vera gel out of it, and keep massaging. I get my aloe vera leaves from my local ShopRite. They're like $1.49. They're super affordable. They last a couple weeks. I even started using them in my conditioner for my hair and my daughter, and I love it. It absolutely makes detangling so easy, and I use it as a deep conditioner. And I can feel the difference in the detangling. I can feel the difference in the texture of my hair. So now that I have it all massaged into my face, I'm gonna leave it just like this. If you're not used to it, it's gonna feel a little weird in the beginning. It's gonna feel like your face is wet, almost like slightly sticky. As it dries, that feeling, at least for me, again, I'm used to this, it goes away. But don't fret, it's gonna start to absorb. I'm gonna go sit, I'm gonna relax, I'm gonna let this absorb into my skin, and then about 10-15 minutes I'm gonna wash it off, and I'm gonna just moisturize my skin, and I'll be done. Yeah, so I'll be back in a minute. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick what my face looks like after 20 minutes of letting the aloe vera sit. Literally, it's absorbed everywhere except for right around here. You can actually still see like the little droplet. Still, it's not even tacky. Like I can still feel the tightness. Again, it's not like extremely tight like with the Aztec mask. It's not like that, but you can just kind of still feel the firmness, but you can't see it anymore. And this is the only place where you can really see it. So now I'm going to just go ahead and wash my face. Again, if I wasn't washing my face and just kept going along, it would completely absorb to where I don't even feel anything and be good to go. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to wash it off. Just wanted to show y'all. Be right back. I know what else I want to show y'all. For those of you who may not know what you're looking for in a grocery store, this is what a full-size aloe vera plant looks like. In ShopRite, mine is in like the produce area. It's kind of near where like the onions and sweet potatoes are. It's right up on top of that. So again, I'm pretty sure they're like $1 and some change per leaf. So super affordable, super affordable. Snag one. All right, I'm gonna wash my face and be right back. All right, so my face is all washed. Now to finish this off, I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with my African Shea Butter and my Almond Oil. And these lips. So as y'all can see, definitely use this almost empty. So I literally just rub my finger in it, get a little bit, put it in between my hands and massage it. That way it heats up. So it heats up. Then I just massage it into my skin. And I make sure that I get my neck as well because I definitely want that to be moisturized as well. So then I'm just going to go in with just a couple of little drops. Literally a little bit goes a long way. So just a couple drops. Sweet almond oil. And once I've massaged that all in, I'm all set. My skin feels amazing, super soft, super smooth. Again, cleansed it, did a mask, exfoliated. The aloe vera helped to add some moisture back to the skin. The oils and the exfoliator did a great job with that as well. The sugar helped to get all the dead skin off. And then just to moisturize some more, my skin feels amazing. Feels so smooth, baby soft. I definitely try to do like an intensive mask and a really good exfoliator at least once a week. And I do little mini exfoliations in between just because I have dry skin. So I definitely have to exfoliate more than just once every 7 days. But do what's best for your skin. But I'm telling y'all, my skin feels so soft. I feel good. I feel relaxed. And I feel like I took a little time to take care of myself and my skin. So again, don't forget, self-care is important. Whatever works for you. Take some time, relax, meditate, read a book, watch an old movie, listen to some great music. Whatever it is that's going to help you to kind of just maintain your calmness, your sense of peace, and whatever helps you relax, please, by all means, make sure you're taking care of yourself. And don't forget to take care of your skin as well. Until next time, you guys, be blessed. Bye.